First, we will start off with the demonstration of defining a custom element. So I am in the OE demo app, and we will build a custom element called my article. So to do that, we need to go to this particular src folder, and here I create a .js file and name this as myarticle.js. The next thing we are going to do is we create a skeleton for this myarticle custom element. And so let's get started with the inclusion of the essential imports. So we would be requiring the HTML and Polymer element classes for the rendering, and these are imported from this node module at Polymer element.js. And we will also be using a button for the input. So therefore, we are importing the paper button also as part of this step. Now let us define this particular custom element called myArticle. So to do that, essentially we would be requiring a class called myArticle, and this should extend out of the Polymer element, and you could see that the Polymer element class is imported from this node module. But in order for a consumer to create an instance of this particular article, this consumers needs to be given a selector to work with. So this is going to be the markup selector. The name of this is my-article, and there is an associated class which is available, which is myArticle. This is what we are currently trying to develop, and this particular step will ensure that the myArticle as a element is registered with Polymer to be rendered in the form of a markup. So after having set up this myArticle custom element, now we are good to go with. So after having set up the skeleton for the myArticle custom element, we are now good to go with the declaration of the properties and achieve data binding, and then supply the renderable markup and react to the user inputs. So in the next few demos, we will achieve all these things. So to do that, the first step is that we have set up this skeleton for the custom element called myArticle.